Hello viewers, how to find f of 4 given that f of t plus f of plus 1 over t equals t cube plus 1 over t cube. And to get f of 4 is very simple. So let's consider the solution from here. The domain of this function is given as t plus 1 over 2. When you recall that, let's say we have x plus y raised to power of 3. This is given as x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 plus, so we have 3xy into bracket of x plus y. So this identity, it gives this. And from the above, if our x here is t plus and y is 1 over t, all raised to power of 3, so this equals x raised to power 3 will becomes t raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 becomes 1 over t raised to power 3, then plus, so let's bracket this, plus 3 multiplied by t multiplied by 1 over t into bracket of t plus 1 over t. So by making t cubed plus 1 over t the subject, we have t cubed plus 1 over t cubed equals, here we write it first, t plus 1 over t raised to power 3. So t cancel t, then we have minus 3 into bracket of t plus 1 over t. This is what we are going to have. We have made this one the subject. So let's come back to the given question. The question says f of t plus 1 over t. So this will give us, since t cubed plus 1 over t is found at the right hand side and the result of this is given as this. Therefore, we are going to write it as t plus 1 over t raised to power 3 minus 3 into bracket of t plus 1 over t. So this is where we come. Since we need to find f of 4, by changing t plus 1 over t to 4, we are going to have f of 4 equals, this is 4 raised to power 3 minus 3 multiplied by 4. Here gives us 4 raised to power 3, that is 64 minus 3 times 4, that is 12. By subtracting this here, so this and this, that is 2, and here is 52. So that is f of 4 is given as 52. So this is how we solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.